So the Happiness Planner people came out with the Explore Your Inner World journals, not journeys. So there are 6 different journals in here. They were all 30-day journals. They are hugely heavy. They're super cute. So let's check them out and see what's inside. Hi everyone, I'm Lisa from Pretty Fabulous, and I help online businesses create beautiful digital downloads using Adobe InDesign. So if this sounds like you or something you might be interested in, make sure to hit the subscribe button below. I post new videos every Monday and Thursday, and I do unboxings like today on Saturdays. Now, I think this is a great idea if you have a ton of journal ideas. People like getting things in packages. You know, I see a lot of people selling a one-off journal on gratitude, another one about sales, another one about confidence. And this kind of like covers the gambit. And it also is a great way to make sure that people feel like they got a lot of value. I don't know if you can see back over here. This is their box of happiness. So this also had a 30-day journal in it and a ton of like little cute stuff in there as well. So instead of selling this, it looks like they kind of compacted everything into journals. I don't know, maybe you can still buy those so you could get both, because probably someone who's interested in increasing their happiness would also buy this entire box as well. Now, this was a little interesting. So when I ordered this on pre-order before it was even printed, it cost more than it costs now, which is totally backwards. Usually when you get things on pre-order, you get somewhat of a discount. This was $89. And then I want to quote the right prices to you. And then they also charged me an additional $9 for shipping, which is actually pretty low considering how heavy this was. And then California, I think because they're located in California and this was shipped to California, added a surcharge of $7.11. So total, this was $105.11. You should be happy knowing though, instead of paying $89 for this, it's now only $82. I don't know, maybe if you wait a little longer, the price will go down even more. Maybe these weren't as popular as they thought. I'm not really sure why the price went down after the pre-orders, but let's look inside and see what you got. So let's check it out. We have inside this very compact box, we have, it looks like just a shipping journals, set of 6 journals, and these are all wrapped in plastic. So let's see if I can just rip them. And they come in their own little sort of bookcase. So this feels really nice. It's canvas, inspirational journals by the Happiness Planner, Explore Your Inner World. So it says the same thing on this side, and in case you're wondering, the rest is just brown. Oh, look at that. It's a little scrunched up, but I swear I didn't do anything. It must have just been how it got shipped out. Okay, so we have, if you can see this, we have the gratitude journal, we have law of attraction journal, confidence, self-awareness, growth mindset, and purpose journal. And these are all nice, pretty shades of, I guess, Easter. I would call these Easter colors. What would you call these? Oh, they're ombre. They're ombre colors. And they have a little wrapper. We can take this off. And we have a blank page, gratitude journal, introduction. Gratitude is when memory is stored in the heart and not in the mind. A month of daily journaling inspiration. So these are all, I'm going to guess, probably 30-day journals. So this is really cute. And it looks like this does do a rinse and repeat. So every day is the same. Oh wait, I take that back. She has some different stuff over here. For day 2, wow, this is a lot of work for each day. Day 3, day 4, day 5, 6, and then it looks like you get a whole page to do stuff. It's a nice 2-page layout. Day 7, some blank pages. Day 8, day 9, 10, and 11. 12, 13, 14, oh, that was 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, Oh, you get 2 ribbon bookmarks. And we'll just leave those there. 23, 24, 25. So this is cute. I like that everything sort of changes each day. 26. So I feel like this is true journaling. Like if I just do a rinse and repeat, you might have have just given me a 1-pager and then I could have printed that out 30 times. 27, 28, and 29. We're almost there. And 30. So that is, and then some blank pages. Oh, I lie. She has something else. A summary, and that's it. So that's your purple gratitude journal. This might take forever, so I won't do all of them. So law of attraction. So now we have a green ombre. And each of these say something different, and it tells you what each of those different journals are for. Again, these are, I tell people all the time, these are really cheap and they just add a lot of value onto your journals. So I think that's a good thing to invest in. You could even print those at home. So what did I say this was? Law of attraction, a month of journaling inspiration. So same thing. So you get a bunch of pages here on what's going to be inside each page. It's hard to tell without you guys here. Do you want me to flip through every page? Are you getting bored? What's happening? So let's do this. I will flip through the first 10 pages of each journal so you can get a sense of what's inside without making this a 10-hour video. So here's day 8, day 9, day 10. And then it looks like it just does kind of the same, just the exact same thing that the other one did, different quotes. And the color theme of this one was green. And you get some blank pages at the end, and you get 2 satin ribbon bookmarks. So let's check out the next one. Confidence Journal has its own little wrapper. This was a purple and pink ombre color. And here we go. Again, a month. So confidence bucket list, some rules. Day 1, 2, 3, day 4, 5, 6, day 7, day 8, 9, blank pages, and 10. Same thing. We go through and there's just some more pages and questions and the 2 ribbons. So it looks like the ribbon colors do vary, I don't know if you can see that, to match the ombre on the front. So a lot of color and creativity went into these. So this is the self-awareness journal. Let's check this out. Got your intro again, the month, some intro things. Day 1, 2, 3, blanks. Day 4, day 5, blank pages. Day 6, day 7, blanks. 8, day 9, day 10, and I'll just do a quick flip through. So same thing, pink and green ribbons, and then all the way to the end with some blank pages. And 2 more to go. Growth Mindset Journal, and this kind of I think follows. They have some kits. I think I have the growth kit boxes that they have where they have journals and cards inside of there too, so you could order those. Looks like they just put everything together in a journaling box. So here we go. Day 1, 2, and day 3, 4, day 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and day 10. And we'll just flip through the rest. And we're all the way to the end again. And the last one, we have your purpose journal. And this one looks like it's just kind of a grayish purple. Got your intro again. We have day 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, whoops, skip 10, and 10. And looks like same thing. Got some pages for writing, got some prompts, got some 1 full page quotes, got some pictures, and you get a little summary, looks like at the end. And that's it. So that is everything that fits inside of this box. All right, so what'd you think? Did you love these? I think these were cute. They're adorable. They're full color. I love the ombre. I like the ribbons in all the books. I think this is a really great set. So let me know in the comments below if this is something you want to create, a planner, a journal, notebooks. Make sure to sign up below. I have Planner 101, which is free. I have noteworthy notebooks coming up. So I have a lot of cool things coming up if this is something that you would like to start selling yourself. All right, I hope everyone is having a fabulous weekend, and I will see you guys on Monday. Bye.